Hello. So today the problem we're gonna tackle is calculating an integral of an uneven function over a symmetrical interval. For a reminder, I'm gonna write what an even function is. So an even function is a function that is symmetrical over the y-axis. So for every x in the domain of definition, we got fx equals f of minus x. And a symmetrical interval is an interval that has 0 as a center. So, like for example, minus a, or b, minus b, you got the idea. So, and now today we're going to evaluate an integral of the form minus a fx dx. And we're going to see what does an even function, how f being even simplify this integral. So I'm going to split it and I'm going to introduce a 0. So it's equals the integral from minus a to 0 of f plus the integral from 0 to a of f. So we're not gonna touch this one, but I'm gonna tweak the first integral to make it look like the second one border-wise. I'm going to do this by making a change of variable. I'm gonna take u equals minus x. So when I have x equals minus a, u equals a. Now we have our bounds. When x equals 0, u equals 0, and du equals minus the x. So I'm gonna proceed. So minus a0 fx equals a0 f minus u minus du equals, so we're gonna use the minus here to switch the orders of the bonds. So it's integral from 0 to a, and we have that f is even, so f minus u equals fu, so f of u du. And what we see here, since f is even, it's the same thing as the integral that we didn't touch previously. And so what this all comes, the conclusion we come to is integral minus a fx dx equals 2 integral from 0a fx dx. This is a very great way to simplify integrals, especially when you're like become on calculus 3 and stuff like that. And it illustrates the fact that the graph of v is symmetrical over the y-axis. So if I take like x squared function, which is like symmetrical over, I'm not drawing with a lot of precision here, but you say this is a 0, 0. So the area on here is equal to the area on here. So the integral from minus a to a, which is like the whole area on here, is actually equal to the double of this area on here. And this is what we found out on here. I hope this was easy to follow and easy for everyone. If you have some questions or anything or suggestions for the improvements of the videos, please leave them in the comments down below. Hope you have a nice day and see you soon. Bye!